Hello, Picasso.
Look at Victor, he's pretty.
Picasso's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. She's just sitting here watching things going on. Aren't you? A lot of action today, isn't it, Picasso? Is that okay with you? Or you like things kind of quiet? I don't know. Well, very pretty girl. Yes, you are. You see the child there? How do you feel about children? You're a little sad you're in a cage and not out there with people. Hopefully you find her home real soon, Picasso, and change that around, okay? Bye-bye, girl. What a gorgeous cat.